So I actually originally did this video, but I'm going to redo it because it didn't save for some reason. Anyway, we're talking about disability insurance, why you would use it. And it's for most professions. The professions you wouldn't even think you would need it for. You wouldn't think you need it for a dentist or for a doctor or for, people that aren't even manual labor in some cases. They have illnesses, they have weird things that come up. Maybe back pain is so debilitating that they can't go to work, or they can't sit up and do their work. And maybe the pain's bad enough that they don't want to be on a laptop in the bed. Whatever it is, you can make a claim that will pay you a monthly amount up to a certain amount of months, depending on how it's set up. And it will help pay your bills. You're not just going without income. And whether you're self-employed or you're a W-2 employee and you're employed, you have an employer and you're working for somebody else, or it's a situation where maybe you're kind of a partner in a way where it's based on production and you get a percentage of the overall take. It doesn't matter, because if for some reason, most of the time it's based on your production. So if you're not producing, then what is there to take? There's nothing to take. Or maybe you're in a fully commissioned job. I've been in self-employed for years, knock on wood. I haven't had the situation happen to me, but I never understood disability insurance and I didn't know I could take it. I was formerly a chiropractor, which would have helped. In a lot of cases for many chiropractors, for example, because they're bent over a table doing a physical job and their hands start to hurt, their back starts to hurt, their shoulders hurt, their hips hurt, knees hurt. You name it. And they're not the only profession that hurts like that. Dentist bent over a chair hurts. Of course, I can go into many others, and anything that's actual physical labor, of course, is going to hurt. Construction workers and factory workers and warehouse workers, yeah, they're going to hurt. But there are way more things that can happen that can cause you not to be able to work. And disability insurance can also be converted over to life insurance at some point, so it can kind of do double duty. But I always think that it's good to have the life insurance and the disability. And then if you're, if you don't end up needing it, you retire and you never use your disability insurance. So many times, like I say, that can be converted. Depends on the company and whatnot. But they also have it to where it automatically over a period of time converts as you're paying it in. I won't get too far into it, but it's a great safety net to have. And whether you're self-employed or not self-employed, business owner, whatever it is, and when I say the difference between self-employed and business owner, obviously they have a physical brick and mortar business, and maybe you're self-employed, that you can be a real estate agent and you're 1099, you're still self-employed. This can cover a number of different professions. And like I say, it's a great safety net. It can pay you up to a number of months. And I think it has huge value. So anyway, if anybody has any questions on this, feel free to reach out, or anything else that I do. The majority of the stuff in the videos that pertains to these different kinds of things, I probably do it. When I say I probably do it, if it's annuity, the cash value, whole life, I sell term insurance and stuff. It's not my favorite thing to sell because I don't feel it's as beneficial in some cases, but in other cases it can be. And the disability insurance, of course, I deal a bit with business owners, so this becomes useful in many ways as tools to help them set themselves up for later. And we have multiple people on our team, depending on what your needs are, that, whether it's maybe an estate planning attorney, tax attorney, whatever it is, we try to involve those type of individuals depending on the situation, and if it's needed. Anyway, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'd appreciate that. And for the sake of the YouTube algorithm, if there's any questions you have, please feel free to reach out. Put my calendar link down below. Set up a session to go over your needs. And if there's any content you want to hear about, want to see, that kind of stuff, please put it out in the comments below. Have a good one.